Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel Mary's Witness. It's been a while since my last video, but today we're going to share the idea of getting a rolling kitchen island, especially if you have a small space or small house like we do. So this is perfect. So what's happening now is way back 2019 when I got this rolling kitchen island from Home Depot, and it took me a while searching and finding the best fit that will match our kitchen wall and cabinets, and this is what we decided to get, and we loved it. So it's our first purchase of furniture that need to assemble. So I think, as I remember, this cost like $300 something, and now I just checked, it's about $600, and I was, what? Everything is so expensive now. So for me, I highly recommend this rolling kitchen island, especially again if you have a small space, small house. And it's been 3 years now 2022, and it's still looking good. So I hope it lasts more years. So guys, I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.